Yes, guys, this store has sold 77,540 sales at the time I'm doing this video. And what it does, it sells mostly digital paper, guys. It's actually fantastic. Check this store out. Look, floral paper, mostly floral paper. Seems to be like one of the most popular ones. You got Christmas paper, vintage Halloween paper, really nice floral mandala, watercolor paper, um, all different types of paper. Look, there's all like 30 pages of types of digital paper textures. Now, the thing is, guys, this has become very, very popular. It's not only just a store like this that sells it. There's many stores on Etsy that sell this. So if you do like videos on digital paper or digital products, should I say, and you want to know how to create and sell digital products and what new niches are coming out, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get videos in your feed. So guys, without further ado, I'm actually going to explain how to produce seamless pattern paper very, very quickly so that you can literally put it up as a listing on your store. So look, it's really not difficult, and I'm going to show you very quickly how to produce it. So look, guys, just, if we just focus a little bit on some of these listings. Now look, these listings are some of the easiest things. A lot of them are floral seamless patterns, and we'll touch on what the seamless bit is. But the floral seamless patterns, sometimes they show you different versions. So that, for example, this one is 14 spring floral seamless patterns. It's giving you all the information. They want it. It's a JPEG or a PNG instant download, 12-inch by 12-inch, 300 DPI. The simplest, the easiest thing you can do. Okay. You get a digital download. There you go, one PDF, and you got all that information, which is what we just mentioned. So, guys, a lot of people are selling this, and they do make good money, great passive income. But as usual, with everything else, you got to niche down. Now, at the time of actually typing in digital paper patterns, let's say, there's 520,000 results. Now, the thing is, you can still sell quite well, but you have to niche down. So what I like to do is I like to go to ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is going to just help me very quickly just get an idea of what to sell. Okay, so I'm going to say, what are the best seamless patterns to sell on Etsy? Let's see what ChatGPT says. Okay, so instantly ChatGPT has recognized that floral patterns are probably the best thing. I mean, they've got watercolor patterns, animal prints. They're also quite good. Seasonal patterns, abstract patterns, but floral patterns seem to be one of the most popular ones. Okay, roses, daisies, tropical blooms. Okay, so that's interesting. We might use tropical blooms, but you see, this at least validates, the kind of good designs that we should be selling on Etsy and other platforms. Because look, you want to make sure that you can sell. Now you can see that these are here in the store, and that sales are being made. Okay, so this seller makes hundreds of dollars on a regular basis selling these beautiful patterns. Okay, and to be honest, it's not difficult to do or to create, and I'll show you how to create these. So first things first, after just having a look, you can see that the beauty about patterns, right, the beauty about these patterns is that they're so versatile. You can create many things. So a lot of people create fabric with them. They make clothing, just examples that you can see here. You can actually use them for paper, so it could be wrapping paper, it could be for mugs. You can use them. You can use it for sublimation. You can use it for anything that you want, you can create. You can see that there are many products that the patterns can be used for, which is actually ideal because you want something that is versatile. So anybody that's looking for maybe some kind of new style clothing might buy a pattern. So there is a big market for this, and I think it's a fantastic product. It's because it's so easy to make. It's a no-brainer. So I'm going to show you now very quickly how to produce it. So I'm going to jump onto Midjourney because this is my go-to AI software to produce anything really. Now, anybody that doesn't know Midjourney, just look at the quality that it produces. It's an AI software that produces the most beautiful designs, right? Just by putting the words, the prompts, if you like, a string of prompts to describe what it is that you want. So, for example, how it works is I'm in my own server now because I've obviously I have a subscription with this. Now, the thing about this is you can get on there for free, but if you want to resell your designs, you probably need to go on a paid subscription. And it starts around $10 a month, and I think there's 3 tiers at the minute. So as long as you are a paid subscriber, or you're paid subscription, should I say, then you are able to sell your product, because then you'll have usage rights to what you produce. Anyways, so how it works is, just very quickly, if you go / because that's what you need to do to create the prompt, imagine, and then the prompt might be, I'm actually going to go to ChatGPT. What did tropical blooms? Let's use tropical blooms. Tropical blooms. Right? That's what I'm going to say. Now, this is the important bit. If you want to create, I'm going to show you actually. I'm going to just do tropical blooms, all right? And click enter. Tropical blooms, and just click enter. I want to show you the difference of how it actually works, because it's going to produce me 4 different versions of some tropical, let's say, flowers, blooms, but it's not going to be seamless. And I'm going to show you why it's not going to be seamless, because there's something that you need to do just to make sure that your designs are seamless. That looks quite nice. If you look at these designs, they're starting to look really nice. 46% fast. I mean, Midjourney is amazing. It really does produce some beautiful designs, and a lot of people are using Midjourney right now to create things and to sell them on Etsy. So I think it's very, it's really worth trying out. At least you can try it out for free. And remember, do check out all the links on my description with regards to all the SEO, all the software that I do use. So as you can see, look at these. They're absolutely beautiful, right? But they do have a problem, and I'll show you what that problem is. They're amazing. I could sell it maybe on Etsy, but actually I can't really sell it as a seamless pattern. I'm going to make the 4th one bigger, which I've just done. And then I'm going to open it up. So here it is. And if I just drag this, now I've got something which is called a repeat pattern tester, right? A repeat pattern tester. And it tests whether a pattern actually repeats, or seamless, should I say. So I want to go back to Midjourney. I'm going to drag this onto the page to here. Right. Can you see that this is not seamless? The designs are not seamless. They don't kind of tile together seamlessly. You can see that. I'll just enlarge it. You can see that there is an edge to these. See? There's an edge. Now, this isn't seamless. This is what I'm saying. A lot of people make this mistake. So what you need to do is, when you go back to Midjourney, I'm going to use the same words for the prompts. Copy that. And I'm going to go to / imagine, go to the prompt, and then paste the prompt. Same prompt. However, look at what I do. You have to do spacebar, remember spacebar, minus, minus, and then the word tile, and then click enter. Now look at the magic. So what it's going to do is going to produce me 4 different versions again of this time seamless pattern floral designs. And that is what it is. You have to make sure that you add that word tile and a minus minus, because it's about tiling it together. It's literally about it matching together, just like tiles, seamlessly. So this is going to be really fantastic, and you're going to what I like about this tester, when I use a tester, at least it verifies or validates whether it works or not. And because sometimes people can't tell whether it works or not, so you don't want to sell it on Etsy and then for it not to be working. This has taken a bit of time. Let me just go back. Let me copy the exact same thing. Let me see if I can if I can nudge it just to move a little bit quicker. Whoops. Sometimes when you do another one, after, it just nudges it a bit quicker. Let me click enter. Let's see if that gives it a little nudge in the right direction. Might be tired. Done so much work today. Okay. So while it's doing that, okay, here you go. Pretty good. See, it did nudge it. Now it's going to produce me, hopefully, 4 different seamless patterns. Hopefully that work. So let's have a look. 15%. Looking quite nice so far. See, what I like is you get different versions. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upscale, hopefully, one of these and then test it out. Let's make sure that it does work. It's a seamless pattern. And literally, I'm going to show you how to get it ready. Okay, they're looking quite nice. Ooh, they're lovely. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to choose this top one. I like this top one. See if it's seamless. Upscale number 2, please. Upscaling image number 2, please. There you go. That's quite nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to drag it onto my tester. Whoops, my mistake. I always do that. Let me go back, drag it again, see if it works. Whoa, it worked. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Seamless, guys. There's no lines. It's seamless. Look at that. I love this little tester, this pattern tester. Look at that, guys. Seamless. Almost look, it's all in one. That is how you know, guys. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, look at that. Fabulous, guys. Right, and they're all the same. They're all pretty much the same. So let me just get rid of that. Let me just upscale the other one. Let's see how that one looks. I like the other one, but this one's quite nice though. Last one, upscale number 4 quickly. Let me just see how that looks. You know, I can imagine myself. Oh, here you go. That was quick. Now it's quick. Right, let's drag you. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh. Looks so nice, guys, I reckon. Yeah, I like the other one first, though. I like that sort of light tone. Now, you can do this with any, like, you know, imagine you could just create yourself. Okay, so white and green roses, right? Spacebar, minus, minus, tile, right? Oh, sorry. What have I done? Sometimes I forget. / and then click the prompt. Okay, let's do it quickly because I want to show you how to actually get it ready for Etsy to sell it as a listing. So I need to show you that very quickly. What was that? That was too quick. Oh, what happened? Oh, no, not yet. Gosh. Right, here it is up here. White and green roses. Oh, it's gone up there. Why is it up there? Anyways, I'll use it. White and green roses in a pattern star. Tell you what, this should be interesting. So, look, I can see it already. That looks all right. Can't even see it, but still looks all right. Yeah, white and green roses. Don't look like roses to me at the minute. You're nearly there. Okay, nearly there. Let's have a look. I didn't say watercolor. I should have done a watercolory style, but actually, look, it's coming along. Coming along. Look quite nice. Okay, I can see it now. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Upscale number 4. I think that one's the best one for me. I like that one. Upscale number 4. That's probably yeah, that's nice. That is quite nice, isn't it? Really. Let me click that. Make sure it's a pattern. There you go. Okay. There you go. So guys, like literally you can produce any kind of style. So let me just go back. Let me just show you very quickly, right? Let's just get back to in terms of what we're producing. So look, so like let's just take this listing. So like I said, guys, you know, I use EverBee. This is my SEO software, which I use just to analyze. So what I do is I will analyze all listings just to make sure that you can I know you know what the products are. So if I come out of this, for example, this is EverBee and I'm just checking on the listing. So this one, let me just go back to, let me see. This one's £12.56. £12.56 just for this, guys. Now that is a lot of money. There's 8 in 8 baskets. Okay, it's already in 8 baskets. So let me just go to analyze this listing for a second, please. Okay, so it's up just quite new. Been there for 2 months. That is crazy. Wait, let me just go down to yeah, I've seen this one before. Right, let me just click on analyze. Okay, £500. So look, this listing, just this one, I've looked at this one before. Just this page, right? It's got 20 in a basket, 20 baskets. £12.56, right? For this one, which shows you what kind of products it can make, right? Or sorry, you can produce from this pattern. £12.56, guys, makes £500 a month of passive income. And literally the process is exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So obviously these are the keywords, that the tags that you'd use. Remember, like I said, check out EverBee because it's really good in terms of like you can get free trial, see all the important keywords that you need to include in your description. Make sure that the tags are there. So spring floral, spring pattern, fabric printing, flower print, all of these are volume that are searched for on a monthly basis. And this one sheet, this one digital paper makes $500 a month, just that one, right? Which is fantastic passive income. And what they've done is all they do is they've just done what I've done. So they may have gone to Midjourney like this and produced something like this, which is a sheet which is seamless, which is like mine. And then you just need to double check and make sure that you got the rest of the information. So 4000 by 4000 pixels, 300 dpi, 1 JPEG, right? 1 JPEG file. Now you can do this, like I said, on Canva. Now, what you'd need to do on Canva is remember, make sure, like I said, 4000 by 4000. So if I just highlight that, 4000 pixel by 4000. Yep, that's what it was. Click create new design. Sorry, remember all the links to my description for all the software that I use, including Canva. You can check it out. Canva's free anyway, but you can check out the pro version. Now, what I would do is, just so you know, right, I would if I was going to take, I'm going to take the more colorful one just so it looks better. Right. What I would tend to do is I would make sure, just to make sure that I've got that really excellent resolution, because you want it to be very nice and clear, because Midjourney is not as clear as it should be. And so what I would do is I would use something like AVC Labs, and I would upscale it so that the resolution is super clear and it's got that quality. So check out an upscaler like AVC Labs, and what you do is it would make your design up much clearer. And then once you've uploaded it and then downloaded it off AVC Labs, and I'll do a video on AVC Labs, then what you need to do is you then upload it on Canva. So once you got your design and you got your size, which is 4000 by 4000 pixels, let's say I've done it, right? For the sake of argument, let's say I've done it, but in this case, I'm just going to copy the image. But let's say you've done it, upscaled it nice and clear, and then you put it onto Canva. Then all you literally need to do then is just make sure that you got it on the right size on Canva, 4000 by 4000 pixels. Then you need to just go to share and download it as a JPEG and a PNG possibly. So it's up to you. You might do two versions, right? Some people do two versions or more, right? So I might have a JPEG version and I'll download it, and you might want to go to maximum quality, okay? And then click download, and then you'll have it down there. And then it will be ready. And then you could do a PNG version anyway as well if you really want, and you can do, because it's easy, it's quick. It's not no like, I mean, you can just do it quickly, so why not? I would give the customer a few versions. So PNG version, download again. Make sure the quality is high, and then you'd have that as well. And literally all you need to do is then upload it as a listing on Etsy. There you go. But obviously the quality would be better after you've upscaled it. And literally that is all you need to do to get that passive income. Now imagine this is just a listing that had $500, and this is what I've just shown you. So potentially, if you've got a few different listings and you're able to sell this, and you're niching, remember to niche down. So when you're actually selling, now when you're selling on Etsy, make sure you're niching down. Now, if we look at this, this is a lot of results. So if we did digital paper pattern and then added floral, remember long keyword, long tail words, right, is where you're able to rank on Etsy. Okay, then it gets a bit less. Look, 58,000 results. Look, I've reduced it already, right, by a lot. So now you can rank on the florals. And as you know, floral is one of the most popular ones, as they say, ChatGPT. But I would also look at other popular ones. It might be animal print, might be seasonal patterns that you might do. They also sell quite well. And then remember, make sure that you create those patterns for that, just in the same method that I've just shown you. But the main thing just to remember when you're creating your prompts is, please remember, because it won't work unless you do this, is to do spacebar, minus, and then tile at the end. And that way you got your seamless pattern, and make sure that you got a checker as well. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to check out the videos after this. Don't forget to check out my playlist also with all the videos on all the different niches that I look at to sell digital products. And don't forget to check out all the links in my description. Guys, take care. See you in the next one.